Morning, students. Today we are going to see a new chapter. Chapter 17, the continuation of tenses, past tense. We use the past tense to talk about actions and experience that took place at some time during the past. The past tense has four forms in English: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Simple past tense. The simple past tense is formed by adding ed to the base form of a verb. We know that some verbs called irregular verbs form their past tense in many other ways. Here one explanation is needed. There are two types of verbs, regular and irregular. Majority of the verbs are regular. That is, regular verbs are verbs to make it past tense and past participle, we add ed to the base form of the verb. Ed to the base form of the verb. Walk is a base form. Walked, W-A-L-K-E-D, walked, past tense. W-A-L-K-E-D, past participle. So in the case of irregular verb, which we made past tense and past participle by adding ed, the past tense and past participle are same. In the case of irregular verb, the base form, past tense and past participles are different. Example, take, base form, or present tense. Took, past tense, taken, past participle. So, these three forms are different. So, they are called irregular verbs. Look at the examples. Father invited on Madhu, but she did not come. Father and mother took us out to dinner yesterday. It was their 10th wedding anniversary. My sister and I brought them an anniversary gift. Notice that when we form negative in the simple tense, we use the past tense of do along with the word not and the base form of the main verb did plus did not come. Listen, to form negative we have to use not, not, not. But we should not use negative alone. You should not use the word not alone. We should use not with an auxiliary. In the case of past tense, to make it negative, we have to use the auxiliary did. The word order is did plus not plus base form of the verb. Did plus not plus base form of the verb. Look at the example. Father invited on Madhu, but she did not come. Did not come is a negative. Look at the auxiliary did, then not come. It is the base form of the verb come, came, come. Mother and mother took us out to dinner yesterday. Took. The negative is mother and father did not take us out to dinner yesterday. So we use did plus to plus base form of the verb. Did plus not plus base form of the verb. Now, Kaya did not have a pen. Here did plus not plus have. So be careful. When you make negative sentence in past tense, you have to use did, the auxiliary. And after auxiliary only we use not. It is wrong. Mother did allow not me, wrong. Correct? Mother did not allow me. Also note that the simple past tense is often used along with adverbs of time. Sometimes the specific time is not mentioned, as in the second, third, and fourth sentences above, but the time reference is understood. Now, formation of an interrogative. To form questions in the past tense, follow these rules. The verb comes before the subject when forming questions with the verb be. Verb be is a big heading. There are different forms under verb be. They are am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be, being, been. These are the verb forms, different forms of verb be. I already taught you. I was angry. Here verb is was. That is one of the forms of verb be. So make it interrogative. You have to bring the verb first. Was first. Then subject. I. Then angry. They were weak. Were they were late. Were they late? So here where is the verb? They subject late. So word order, this is the word order of making interrogative. If the verb is one of the different forms of verb be, that put beginning then subject. Now, for most other verbs, we form the interrogative by using did at the beginning of the question and with the main verb taking on its base verb. Very careful. So, most of the verbs are both irregular verbs. To make it verbs in past tense, to make it interrogative sentence, we have to use did, the beginning, then subject, then base form. Look at here. We went by car. Here, went is the verb, past tense. Look at the question. What we bring the beginning did, the auxiliary did. Did we go by car? Did plus subject plus. Go is the base form of the verb went. She shouted happily. Did she shout happily? Here shouted is the past tense verb, and to make it interrogative, we have to use did, the beginning. Did. Then she is the subject. Then comes subject. Did she? Then shouted is the past tense. The base form is shout. Did she shouted? Did she shout happily? So here shout is the base verb. Once more. So if the verb is was or were, we have to put was in the beginning and were in the beginning to make question, then subject, then the remaining parts. But if the verb is action verbs, regular and irregular, we have to use the auxiliary did, then not, then base form of the verb and the remaining. That is the way to make past tense interrogative sentences. Now look at the examples I can find out here. Positive, Tara went shopping. Negative, Tara did not go shopping. Interrogative, did Tara go shopping? Didn't Tara go shopping? So these you can read and understand. Now with the use of simple past tense, to talk of an action completed in the past. So we use past tense to talk of an action that is completed in the past. The reference time could be a particular moment, a particular moment, a day or a period of time. We went on a picnic yesterday. So here, yesterday is the particular time. So we have to use simple past tense. Went is a verb, past tense of go. Because yesterday the time is mentioned. Last year we drove to Manali for a holiday. Here, last year the time mentioned, so we use past tense drove. It is the past tense of drive. Based on drive, drove, driven. So I studied Sanskrit for 2 years. Here also, time is but for a period of time. We can use simple past tense. I studied. Now you are not studying. So in the past you studied it 2 years. I studied Sanskrit for 2 years. We waited for 1 hour for the train. We waited for 1 hour for the train. The period of time ആണ്. So we can use simple past tense. Need not use present perfect continuous tense. Second, to talk of a series of actions completed in the past. When we talk, a series of actions that happen on the other, happen one after the other, we use the simple past tense. When we talk of a series of actions that happen one after the other, we use simple past tense. Karan reached home, changed into his sport gear and left for practice. So we use reached, changed, left. 3 verbs are used which are in simple past tense because action is happening one after the other, or action happened one after the other. Not present. This is correct. Action happened, not actioning. Is actioning wrong? What happened one after the other. Second, I picked Seethal from the station, drove to the bus stop and put her on a bus to Jaipur. Here, picked, drove and put. 3 verbs, action verbs are used, which are happened in the past, but it happened continuously, one after the another. So we can use simple past tense. Now to talk about past habits. When we talk about habitual or routine actions, experiences in the past, we use the simple past tense. When we talk of habitual or routine actions or experiences in the past, we use simple past tense. We often add expressions such as when was a child, when I was younger, never, always, often, etc. When I was a child, we walked to school every day. The habitual action, past. Now it is not happening. In the past, it happened sometime or quite many times. Now it is not happening. In such case, we have to use past tense. When I was a child, was is verb, past tense. We walked, past tense. Mr. Talwar taught us chemistry. Mrs. Talwar taught us chemistry. That happened in the past. Habitual action. We never had computers in houses until recently. That also a habit. Talk of past habit. So in this, these are the examples for the use of past tense if it expresses past habitual actions. Third, the talk of facts or general statement in the past. To talk of facts or general statement in the past, we use simple past to mention facts or generalization that are no longer true in the present time. I swam 20 lengths of the pool every day to stay fit. Cell phones looked quite different 10 years ago. Now exercise 1. Change the following sentences into the negative and interrogative forms. I will do some couple of examples. There was a lovely house here. Positive. Negative. There wasn't a lovely house here. The old people enjoyed the picnic. Negative. The old people did not enjoy the picnic. The interrogative of the first, was there a lovely house here? Second, did old people enjoy the picnic? I wrote a letter to my mother. Did I wrote a letter to my mother? Or did you wrote a letter to your mother? Two ways we can ask questions. Negative, I did not write a letter to my mother. The driver fell asleep during the journey. Negative, the driver did not fall asleep during the journey. First one, did I write a letter to my mother? If I say wrote, this wrong. Did I write a letter to my mother? Or did you write a letter to your mother? Fifth example, people were happy with the new king. People were not happy with the new king. Were the people happy with the new king? People carried their belongings on their heads. People did not carry their belongings on their head. Did people carry their belongings on their heads? The party was over early. The party wasn't over early. Was the party over early? Everybody laughed at the clown's funny antics. Everybody did not laugh at the clown's funny antics. Did everybody laugh at the clown's funny antics? So this is about past tense. Try to learn and understand. Okay? Thank you.